Now I'm going to try a new strategy. I've got three new variables: temp x, temp y, and alpha. Starting off the same way though, with a loop for the x position and for the y position. First thing I'm going to do inside here is I'm going to set temp x equal to xp and temp y equal to yp, and I'm going to do some things to temp x and temp y. First off, here I've got a loop looping through variable I, starting at 0, staying less than 2, intervals of 1. So I'm going to iterate through 2 times of setting temp x equal to temp x divided by 2 and temp y equal to temp y divided by 2. But then I've got a series of conditions that I base my color value on. So if temp x times temp y is greater than 10,000, color is going to be black. If it's otherwise, if it's greater than 9,500, then it's going to be that color. Greater than 9,000, then that color, and I go at intervals of 500 here. And then toward the bottom here, I set my alpha variable, which is the alpha, and the alpha is going to equal 1 divided by temp x divided by temp y. Set my line style to the color that was determined based on my conditional statement here. Set my alpha according to this equation. Then I draw my line, which is a point, and reset temp x and temp y for the next loop. And let me go ahead and export that. And it's pretty, kind of predictable. But I'm not entirely sure what the utility is for looping through in the middle, just dividing by 2. I mean, you might as well just divide by 4, right? But I do think it'll be important in doing more complicated things, and what I've done here is I've taken the x position minus the y position and raised temp x divided by 2 to that power, and did the same thing for temp y, only backwards. And so when this loops through twice, that's going to give a little more interesting results.